Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use Spotlight Search Advanced feature on iPad Air 2026. So, on your home screen, tap on the middle and swipe down, and here you have the Spotlight Search. Right here you can search for calculations, conversions, web, basically anything that you want. Here you have the Siri suggestions. You can show more, show less. As you can see, I can set the timer because it's the last thing I did, so it's like a history. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.